Have you ever wondered how the Supreme Court of India came into existence? It was the year 1950, a pivotal moment in India's history when the Supreme Court of India was established. This event was deeply tied to the inception of the Constitution of India, the sacred document that governs the country's democratic framework. From the ashes of British colonial rule, India rose as a sovereign nation, and with it, the necessity for a new judicial system emerged. The Supreme Court was born out of this need, taking the mantle from its predecessor, the Federal Court of India. The Federal Court, though significant, was not equipped to serve the needs of an independent nation. The Supreme Court was designed to be the highest court of appeal and the final interpreter of the Constitution, ushering in a new era of justice. It was to be the guardian of the people's rights and the arbiter of the nation's law. So, this was the birth of the Supreme Court, a beacon of justice in the country. The Supreme Court is not just a building, but a composition of esteemed individuals. But who are they and what do they do? Let's delve into the heart of this prestigious institution. The Supreme Court of India is comprised of 34 judges, including the Chief Justice of India. These judges are appointed by the President of India, and they serve until they reach the age of 65. The Chief Justice, who is the head of the judiciary, has a distinct role. As the administrative head, the Chief Justice is responsible for the allocation of cases and appointment of constitutional benches that deal with important matters of law. Now let's turn our attention to the roles and responsibilities of the Supreme Court, which are truly multifaceted. One of its primary roles is to serve as the guardian of the Constitution. This means the Supreme Court has the power to interpret and protect it, ensuring that all laws are in conformity with the principles laid out in the Constitution. But the Supreme Court isn't just a guardian. It's also the final court of appeal. This means that any judgment or decree passed by any lower court can be challenged in the Supreme Court. It has the authority to overrule, affirm, or amend these judgments. It is the ultimate interpreter of federal laws and the Constitution. The Supreme Court also has advisory jurisdiction. It can give its opinion on any question of law or fact of public importance, as may be referred to it by the President of India. In addition, the Supreme Court has the power to enforce and safeguard the fundamental rights of the citizens. It can issue directions, orders, or writs for the enforcement of any of the rights conferred by the Constitution. In essence, the Supreme Court is a key pillar of India's democratic framework. It shapes the legal landscape of the country, protects the rights of the citizens, and ensures the rule of law prevails. It is clear that the Supreme Court has a pivotal role in upholding justice in India. Now let's delve into the process of how someone becomes the Chief Justice of India. In India, becoming the Chief Justice isn't a matter of simply being the best or the brightest. It's a journey of immense dedication, commitment, and a deep understanding of the law. The process is steeped in tradition and follows a seniority system. So, how does this all work? The Chief Justice of India is appointed by the President, but the President doesn't make this decision in a vacuum. The outgoing Chief Justice recommends a successor, usually the most senior judge of the Supreme Court, to maintain the balance and continuity of the court's functioning. This seniority system isn't written into law, but it's a convention that's been followed for decades. It ensures that the appointment of the Chief Justice is based on experience and wisdom earned over years of service, rather than on political whims or personal favoritism. The President then formally appoints the recommended judge as the Chief Justice of India. This is done through a warrant of appointment signed by the President and sealed with the Seal of India. It's a momentous occasion marking the pinnacle of a lifetime's work in the judiciary. Of course, being the Chief Justice of India isn't just about the title. It comes with great responsibility. The Chief Justice is the head of the judiciary of India, the final arbiter of the law, and the guardian of the Constitution. Over the years, there have been many notable Chief Justices who have left their mark on the Indian judiciary. Chief Justice Harilal Jakisundas Khania, the first Chief Justice of India, set the tone for the court's independence. Chief Justice Yashwant Vishnu Chandrachud, the longest-serving Chief Justice, presided over some of the most significant cases in Indian history. The process of becoming the Chief Justice of India is indeed a journey of immense dedication and commitment. Each Chief Justice of India carries the weight of the law, the expectations of the people, and the responsibility of upholding the Constitution, making their role pivotal in shaping the destiny of the nation. Ever wondered what perks come with being the Chief Justice of India? Let's delve into that. The Chief Justice of India, or CJI, gets a monthly salary that is a notch higher than that of the other judges of the Supreme Court. This is due to the weight of the responsibilities they shoulder, leading the judiciary of the world's largest democracy. In addition to the salary, the CJI enjoys benefits like a spacious official residence, decked with all necessary amenities. The CJI also has a travel allowance, enabling them to traverse the length and breadth of the country, and even overseas, for official duties. Post-retirement, the CJI continues to receive a substantial pension, ensuring a comfortable life after years of service. It's not just about the monetary benefits, though. The prestige and respect associated with the position are unparalleled. While the position comes with great responsibility, it also offers significant benefits. We've taken a journey through history. Now, let's return to the present. The Supreme Court of India today stands as a beacon of justice, led by the current Chief Justice. The decisions made under his gavel have been pivotal in shaping the country's legal landscape. Recent rulings have stirred debates, sparking conversations on everything from fundamental rights to environmental policies. But it's not all about the rulings. The Supreme Court is also faced with challenges. A backlog of cases, the need for judicial reforms, and the question of transparency are issues that continue to hover. Yet amidst these challenges, the Supreme Court has also opened doors to future prospects. Technological advancements, for instance, are being embraced to expedite processes and ensure justice is served swiftly and efficiently. As we navigate through the 21st century, the Supreme Court continues to play a crucial role in shaping the justice system of India. The Supreme Court of India is more than just a court, it's a symbol of justice in our country. We've traversed its establishment, understood its integral role, explored the appointment process of the Chief Justice, and even delved into the salary and benefits that come with this esteemed position. Present day, it continues to be a beacon of justice, shaping the legal landscape. Remember, the Supreme Court is the epitome of justice, holding the power to decide the course of the nation.